Okay, I noticed a number of mistakes with number 3 and number 4, so I'm going to take some time to walk through these with you. So follow along, and if you did these and you got a comment from me to fix it, this is a great opportunity to work along with me, and maybe you can figure out where you went wrong. All right, so first things first, I'm going to identify my y-intercept. Here you'll know I have -3 as my y-intercept. So I'm going to go to -3, I'm going to plot that right here. Now my slope here is 3 over 2, positive 3 over 2. So I'm going to go down here. That means I'm going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, over 2, 1, 2, plot a point. Same thing again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, plot a point. And I'm going to make a line out of it too. So that gets me started. So immediately you should have a line that looks like this. If you don't, then chances are something went wrong. I'll just fix my line a little bit. This one is not bad. Not that good. There we go. Close enough. All right, now the second line is where I saw a lot of mistakes, so please pay attention here. Now, I'm going to do this in a different color. I'll go with blue. My y-intercept here is positive 4. I'm going to plot it positive 4. First thing I'm going to notice about my slope, I have a negative slope, which means my line is going to have to look something like this. It's going to be going downwards. If I have a line that goes up like this, I've done something wrong. So always pay attention to that. So my slope here, I'm going to rewrite it as -1 over 4. I could do 1 over -4. It really doesn't matter. But I'm going to go with -1 over 4. So now I'm going to go from my y-intercept to 4. Right here, I'm going to go down 1, and then over 1, 2, 3, 4. You notice I'm already crossing that first line, which is great. I don't have... Actually, do I have room to make another point? I can. I can go backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1. It's only got 3 points, and I can make a line. And you'll notice here that they intersect at x equals 4, y equals 3. So one of the biggest mistakes I saw was people were doing this -1 over 4, and they were making it go upwards. Always check the sign of your slope. That will indicate the direction. If you end up going in the wrong direction, then you know you did something wrong and you can fix it. Number 4 is another example where I saw some mistakes. Now, the first one, people were getting this. All right, so we have y equals x plus 3. I'm going to go to 3, and I can put 1 here, which means I'm going to have a slope of 1. Go up 1, over 1, up 1, over 1. And I can keep doing that, make some nice lines here. I'm going to do that. There we go. First one done. Now, watch this. I'm going to make the common mistake that I saw, and I'm going to show you how you can fix it. All right, -2 is our slope. Okay. So what I notice a lot of people do here is they said, oh, okay, I'm going to go up 1 over 4. And then they might have gone the other direction too. 1, 2, 3, 4, down 1. And they made their line and said, hey, no solution. They're not crossing. However, look at your slope. Your slope is negative. Your line is going upwards. You did something wrong. That's when something should click, like, okay, something went wrong here. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to fix this. So my y-intercept isn't going to change. I'm going to think, how can I use these numbers to go in the opposite direction? Before I went up 1 and over 4. Maybe if I go down 1 now, and then over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll go the other direction here too. And watch what happens. Now I get that slope I was looking for. I get that negative slope. It's going downwards. Again, notice that the slope is negative. Your line should be negative as well. And I do get this point of intersection. Right here. X equals -4. Y equals -1. And I can write that as an ordered pair as well. But again, these were two common mistakes I noticed with number 3 and number 4. So I want to make sure I got number 3 right. Always good to double check. Good, I did. So if I put down a comment to, fix this, please go back and take a look. And just watch out for this, because again, if your slope is negative, it should be going in the down direction. It should be going down like that. Your line should be going like this. If you have a negative slope and you see that it's got kind of like an upward motion, you did something wrong. And please go back and fix it, okay? Should be getting solutions for these. If you have any questions, you know you can reach out to me, Mrs. Kalan.